Thought so. Right guys, welcome back. This is going to be a quick video. Basically the van is going. This is a skill-based competition to win this van. Okay, terms and conditions are written up. You can request a copy of the terms and conditions on this email. So email me here and I will email you back with the terms and conditions of the competition. Basically it's £50 entry, and at this time over half of the entries are already gone because of other social media platforms. So it's £50 an entry. You have to answer a skill-based question. There are 3 answers, okay? What is the manufacturer of this van? Okay, let me just get the specific answers for you, just so you know. So we're all on an even playing field, okay? So, what's the manufacturer of my van? A, Ford, B, Citroen, or C, Fiat, okay? All you have to do is click the PayPal link in the description. I'll put it here anyway, but I'll also put it in the description. You click that link, you put £50 and you put your name, your full name and the answer, A, B or C, and even put the manufacturer if you want, okay? That way you'll be in with a chance to win this van for £50. Little bit about the van. It's just had an MOT, 12 months MOT. So it's got 12 months MOT. It's got 4 tyres, absolutely spanking new nearly. It's had a drop link put on it at the MOT. What else can I say? It's done just over 80,000 miles. The mileage will rise slightly because I will still use this van until the new one arrives. What else can I say? It comes with the roof bars. It also comes with the van vault in the back because I don't need it in the new van. I've got different plans for the new van. Okay. So all profits will be going to a charity of my choice, and that will be in the description below. Yeah, I don't know what else I can say. Just get on it quick because I know this is going to go quick. This is a really tidy little van and it's going to be absolutely perfect for anyone. Oh, and also I'm including some fresh engine oil and a new filter if you want to do the service. It isn't due one, but I will include that in the van. It's got 4 alloy wheels on it as well. I'll also include the steel wheels if you want them. One hasn't got a tyre on it because I stole it for this. One of them's got a decent wheel and 2 tyre, and the other 2 are not road legal. So it's up to you. I can get rid of those, or you can have those with a van. So if you win, that's entirely up to you. Okay. So thanks for watching. I want to raise some money for charity, basically. Yeah, let's get the van gone, and then we can move on. So it's a bit sad, really. This will be the last video I actually do in this van. Okay. I'll even leave the little GoPro mount on the dash there for you as a little token. I haven't cleaned the inside yet. I've literally just taken all the decals off, give it a machine polish. So there's no company logos on this van at all. It's looking really nice, actually. It's looking like when I bought it. It's really clean and tidy. So someone is going to get a bargain for £50. So make sure you click the links below. Get donating. Get buying your tickets because there's less than 50 left. Okay, there's 100 to go. If you want the terms and conditions, they're here. There's 3 pages. Request these at the email address that I will put below. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.